In this video, I'm about to compare N8N, Make, and Zapier. When comparing N8N, Make, and Zapier, all three are powerful automation platforms, but each has unique strengths depending on your needs. N8N is an open-source automation tool that offers extensive customizations. It supports complex workflows, integrations, and self-hosting, making it perfect for developers or businesses looking for deep flexibility and control. It's free to use, but it requires more technical knowledge to set up and maintain. Make, formerly Integromat, is known for its visual interface and powerful automation capabilities. It supports more complex workflows than Zapier with advanced features like routers and iterators, which can handle multi-step processes with ease. Make it great for users who need advanced automation but want a more intuitive design compared to N8N. Zapier is the most popular and user-friendly of the three. It offers easy-to-use workflows that require no technical knowledge, making it ideal for non-developers. It supports a vast number of apps, but the free plan has limitations on task volume and features. Zapier is perfect for users looking for simplicity and wide integration options. N8N is best for those who want full control and customization. Make is great for advanced users needing powerful workflows with a visual interface, and Zapier is a top choice for simplicity and ease of use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.